Navigating a Modeling Career 2. By Top Modeling Jobs. www.topmodelingjobs.com. 1. Deal with modeling just like a real job. People who don't take it seriously have little probabilities of being successful in their modeling career. Consider that it is more and more difficult than it appears to be, and there is a lot of work behind of almost all the glitz and glamour you see at fashion shows. Modeling is a full-duration career that needs reliable attention. 1 week aside from it and your career might be over. 2. A little window of opportunity. You need to understand that modeling has basically a little window of chance, and even if you take a short break, you can certainly never have the ability to return. Models often easily work in the business for a limited quantity of time. If you become famous inside of the business, you might be able to lengthen your occupation. 3. Verify if there will be a makeup artist on web page. Oftentimes you are expected to provide certain things with you, such as base foundation, and whether they do not have a makeup artist booked, you need to prepare consequently. You can easily want to continue to keep an emergency makeup kit with you as a result that you can do your individual makeup if important, no matter or not to you is intended to be present. 4. Be creative on the job. Photographers wish to determine new pose in several poses with several props and backdrop. Changeability is key, thus work for the camera and have interaction with the people among yourself. Pay attention to the photographer's tips, but don't be frightened to try your personal poses or attitude also. Similarly, runway coordinators wish you to put personality in your walk or to project a highly specific feelings. Join our 100% free modeling mini course. www.topmodelingjobs.com